Hey guys, this is Kenna, the freaking reactor, with another video. Today, I know you can see this merchandise in front of me. This is something I bought on Amazon, and it's supposed to be a microphone to help me, to help my channel with the sound. If you're new, or if you're not new, look at some other videos. They're pretty crappy with sound. So this is what I got from Amazon. Of course, I have blocked out the my information, the tracking, whatever. Some not so good people out there. So it just came in today, and yeah, I want to unbox it, and I have some good reviews about this thing. So let's see what it is, and let's see how it's gonna look like. Alright, so number one thing you notice, very nice packaging, MoVo, of course, coming up with the 2-year warranty. Scan the QR code to open your camera, blah blah blah, to activate MoVo. Unleash your creativity. Yes, yeah. So it comes with the two wireless microphone systems. One comes with the lapel thing, hook, and the mic cover, and it's compatible with your phone, your iPad, your laptop, your camera, and your recording camera. Okay, I don't know what that is. Video camera. Yeah, that's video camera. So phone. Okay, it's dual channel. So that means, I don't know what that means, but if you know, just let me know in the comments. Okay, all right, let's see what's in here. This packaging looks nice though, and the weight too. Like when something is legit, has some nice weight to it. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so first look, not so bad. Get out of here. Wow, it's a nice little baggie. Can be used for something else. Nice and solid. You can carry, with your wallet, or make your wallet or something. MoVo. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so damn. Okay, so pretty much this is my first look. Just came in today, and see what's in here. So I'm not sure what this is, but if you know, just let me know in the comments. It looks like some kind of attachment hooks. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I'm gonna put it outside right there. And then it has something here. What is this? Should be the antennas. Yeah, definitely. Oh man, pretty dope. It's nice and rubbery. Looks strong too. Okay, so those are the two antennas. Let's see what that is. Wow, that's the first wireless receiver. How does it look? Okay. So it has the line in, line out, and I guess this is power. That should be the power. I don't know. Okay, so that's one. I think that's the one that attached. Yeah, those two right there. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put that there. This is number 2, wireless. Don't know if you can see, but what is does it say? I don't know. But yeah, that's another wireless. So this is the wireless transmitter and this is the wireless receiver. I don't know physics that well, so I cannot tell you what's the difference between the two. So the receiver, transmitter, both of them have the same number. Have some 2 buttons on the sides. So if you know these details, please let me know. I'm not sure how to use this, but I heard it's pretty good. So yeah, we're still going on. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 should be the mic. Definitely microphone. This is the aux that goes in. Not sure where it's gonna go. Maybe the transmitter, not so much. I don't think so. Maybe it is. I don't know. We'll figure that out later on. That's number 5. And then we have this 2. Not sure work with this, but that's a good thing. Looks pretty good. So this is the mic cover and the lapel hook. So one thing I've noticed about this is it's pretty solid. The whole thing is pretty solid, you know. Doesn't sound cheap, doesn't look cheap, you know. It wasn't as cheap though. I think I got a good deal on this one. Bought it around $60 something. If you want to know where I got it from, it's on Amazon, but if you want the link, just let me know down in the comments. And yeah, still some more stuff in here. This another one of that, the 2-part auxes, and this mic I'll just put it in. So that's how it looks pretty much. And the lapel hook, not sure. Definitely goes somewhere, but we'll figure that out. We're just unboxing for now. So we still have one more item left. This should be the stand, I guess. And I think it goes in there. Ah, look at that. Look at that right there. So I think this is whatever goes next to your camera, or you know, phone or camcorder, whatever you're using. And this one goes to your hip. This should be the hooks, I guess. Not very sure, but if I'm wrong, just let me know in the comments. I'm pretty much just guessing my way through this so that I can start using it, hopefully, you know. Yeah, so it's pretty much it. And the gel, you know. Yeah, so it's not nasty in there when you open. All right, so yeah, pretty much that's it. Nice bag, can still be reused for something else. I plan on using it, you know, for personal stuff. But yeah, so pretty much you're looking at your MoVo. 1, 2, 3. Dang, 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 dang. So that is pretty much what the MoVo looks like. And yeah, I think for now I'm happy. Everything looks good and I can't wait to use it. Alright guys, if you're new, leave a comment, leave a like. If you want some more unboxing, or you know, check out how this is gonna turn out, just let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Take care folks. Bye.